Alright guys, so navigating this website is a little bit different than the original website we had. So I'm going to just walk you through how to navigate and some important tips and things to remember as you're going through this website, because it is different than the old website if you ever got to see the old website. So over here on the left hand side of your screen is the menu bar. So they put it on the left rather than the tabs that are along the top. So click the arrows beside to just drop down everything that's inside. If you don't do that and you click on the title, it's just going to take you to a title page where I've put links to get to the other pages anyways. So underneath your home page, you have your typing page. When you get here, there's a link back to home. So if you need to get back to the home page, you can just click this button and it'll take you back to the home page. And then there is typing.com. Typing.com is where you should do all your typing stuff. In order to use this website, just go to students and you can do lessons, tests, or games. You do not have to sign up for this website. You can. If you sign up, it tracks you. I would just say, just remember where you're at and continue improving your skills, whether it's using the tests or the lessons. You should do that for about 15 minutes every class, working on your typing. Okay, once we're back at the site here, we can click on helpful documents. Again, a link back to the home page there, so you can get back to the home page. And then there's the documents there that might be helpful for you. Now notice they're images rather than links. So to get to those things, you just click on them and it will take you, okay? If I think of other things, or students are constantly asking me for advice of how to do something, I may create more documents or even short videos in this area to help with that. So keep an eye on here if you have questions or something like that, as there may be a document or a video that shows up to help you out. So as I was saying, you can click this menu down over here and click on the module if you want, or you can click on the title. If you do that by accident, you'll notice that there's buttons to take you to each of the modules in here. So either way, you're going to get to the right spot. So if I click on developing by accident instead of module 1, I'll get to the developing homepage and I can just click the module 1 button or whatever module it is that you need to get to and navigate to there. Once you're in the module, there will be links and stuff that you need to do to get there. So once you've completed all this, and please read all the instructions, it is word for word what you need to do. You can click go to the next module. So here's where reading your instructions becomes important. Part 1, learning about the computer. Open the link below by clicking on it. Once you're on the site, complete all the tutorials. To do this, each of the titles are in bold and you must click on it. Once you're done that, you come back to this site and there's an assignment for you. Some of them are going to be questions and some of them will be the quizzes that the website has. So you need to really read what it is you need to do. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the GCF website, which is basically the textbook for this course, looks like. So if I click that link, it takes me to a new web page. And this is the GCF website, so it's about basic computer skills. So you need, in this module, you need to do all of these little modules here, or little lessons. So there's quite a few in this one. Okay, it's probably one of the bigger ones you'll see. So to do that, you click on the bolded lettering or around that location, or you can click on the number 1 as well, and it will take you to the lesson. And you can just go through, read the information. Okay. And then when you're done, you can click continue and it'll take you to the next lesson, which is lesson 2. And you can just keep on reading. Or you can go back and then click on lesson 2 and complete lesson 2. And you notice as you read, it checks it off so you know where you are. However, every time you log in and out of a computer, that disappears. So you're going to have to make sure that you make note of where you are if you're stopping somewhere during the middle of a module. So if I got to, today I got to lesson 12, then I might want to make a note in my binder on lesson 12 under basic computer skills, so that I know that I need to start at lesson 12 or move on to lesson 13. Okay, so I just closed out of that tab, moving back here. Once I'm done reading all that stuff, there's some questions here for me to answer. So it asks me, what are the steps to connecting to Wi-Fi on a computer? So I would want to list either on a piece of paper or in a Word document, step by step, how I would do it. Now, when I do questions like these, I would advise thinking like you're talking to about a 3-year-old, so that they could actually do it. So you want to turn on the computer, you want to go log in, you want to go to your settings, and then so on and so forth, whatever the steps may be to do to connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay, and then there's some other questions there. So to go to module 3, you can either click on the left side or the bottom here to go to the next module, and it's about the same kind of tasks. Now for some modules, you will have videos you need to watch. To do the video, it says click on the video on the left to watch the video. So you click on the video, and it starts the video, and you can watch the video, you can make it bigger, play the sound, etc. You do not have to copy and paste the link or anything like that. Just click on the video and watch it. Okay. Down here are like the reviews, so these are the quizzes that you need to do. You just click on that button there, or that link there, and it will take you to the quiz. Complete the quiz by clicking your answer and going next. So obviously I'm not reading these, and you just keep clicking next all the way through to the end. So I got 2 out of 7 by randomly clicking. That's not a good score. However, I want you always to print out your scores. Okay? If you get less than 70 or 80%, I would suggest going through again and making sure you understand all your content. So I would look at these questions and go, okay, obviously I need to study how to download apps or extensions and themes. Okay? So that's something I need to work on. The Omnibox, what is that? What does that allow me to do? I should go and read that. Okay? Close that out. Other than that, that's basically the navigation. Quickly here, I'll show you what it looks like on a phone. So again, you're just clicking links to get to where you're going, and it'll just open a new page on your phone, so you'll just have to shift between pages. Again, for videos, you just click on the videos and it'll automatically play them for you. To move around on the website, again, there's buttons at the bottom of each page to move to the next module. It does not move you backwards though. Or you can use the menu by clicking the 3 lines here and click on whatever it is that you need to go to. Okay, so if I need to go to module 8, drop down menu, module 8, and I can do that way. Or click on, okay, or click on the title page and use one of the buttons to take you to module 8 or module 9 or wherever it is you need to go. So hopefully this shows you kind of how to navigate. Please make sure you read the instructions, as everything is laid out word for word for you. There isn't really much that isn't in there. And again, if you ever have questions, please ask your instructors. They should be able to help you out with that.